It's that time. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. What did order? I don't know, cause ordered a long time ago. Actually, that's completely untrue. I know exactly what this is, but I don't know if it arrived in one piece. If it did arrive in one piece, this is so cool, I think everybody needs to see it. Let's get out of here. All the way from Rushki. Our former Cold War enemies. Nah, Russia's awesome. Because Russia has people that still do really cool stuff that most of the rest of the Western world kind of forgot about. Okay, these don't look like much until the light hits them just right. The problem with the light overhead right now is that it's fluorescent light, which is a big long tube. These are laser holograms, and they require points of light in order to recreate the image. Let's see, where is that image? Oop, there it is. Ooh. I don't know, is this PG-13? I think she's relatively clothed. Well, it's not all smut. A couple of it's smut. You got a really good deal on smut. This one, you also had a really good deal on. Be careful, this is a big piece of glass. That is Master Yoda in all of his beautiful 3D glory. Let's see. It gotta be this angle. There it is. Look at that. Lightsaber and everything. Laser holograms are created by interference patterns of light. Technically, this is a photograph, but the photograph captures an interference pattern, like the interference pattern you see on, if you have like a compact disc, and you notice that it's got that beautiful little rainbow effect. That is an interference pattern. Let's see if I can find some of these that are PG-13. Oop, not that one either. Like I said, you had a really good deal. Let's see what this one is. It just looks like a piece of film. Catch the light just right on it. It must not be on that side. Oh, there it is. Check that out. A lovely little 3D kitten burst into reality. I should be careful. I think if the back of this gets scratched, the hologram will disappear. But you can see, this is just a piece of normal film, but using laser light, you etch an interference pattern instead of a black and white image, or a color image, it depends on your film. And in the process, you get the miracle of a 3D object. These require a lot of special apparatus. There's a reason why people don't have these in the consumer market. Back when I was a kid in the 70s, everyone thought these things were going to be the next big Polaroid. But it turns out, well, yeah, get a good reflection right here. It turns out scientifically that's just not possible. Oh, yeah. See, it's not quite right. The fluorescent light, like I said, is a tube, so it produces light all over the place. And for a hologram to produce a good reflective pattern, you need a singular source of light. But this works pretty well. Anyways, these are laser holograms. Oh, there's another cool one, a little Master Yoda, a smaller one. I don't even think I ordered this one. I think he just threw it in for free. If you drop on eBay, not that one. Not that one, don't show that one. That one's not PG-13. Wow. This guy threw in a couple of extra ones. I didn't order this one either. If you go on eBay, look for laser holograms, and I think if you make a big order from this guy, he just throws in free holograms for the heck of it. Highly recommend him. I'll put a link to his user account in the description. Freaking laser holograms, man. Too awesome. Anyways, so ends this edition of Surprise Package Time.